In this video, I'm going to show you how to open multiple PDF files in one window in Adobe Reader. So to do this, what you have to do here is you want to go to Edit, top left, and then inside the Preferences, and from here you want to go to the General tab, and you want to find this where it says Open Documents as new tabs in the same window. Now when you check this, you'll have to relaunch your Adobe Reader, so just click on that and then click X and relaunch it, so exit it and open it again. And then whenever you do that, you can basically just start drag and dropping PDFs into the existing window, and you'll be able to see them as separate tabs. So if I drag and drop this one, for example, as you can see, it's going to put it inside the same window but in a different tab. If I go and open a new one over here like this, I can also do this like that, and it's going to open in a separate tab just like that. Okay, so that's how this works. And then you can of course view them in separate tabs, but if you'd like to kind of view them using a side-by-side view, you could also do it. What you have to do is have to go to Window and then Tile, and here you can do vertically, and it's going to basically split them like this, and you can view these side by side. Now if you are doing this, I would recommend hiding this toolbar like that so you can basically see them in full screen. That's how to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.